So guys, check out this JUKMO belt. So it's a really nice leather belt, and it comes with a belt buckle to put on so that you can connect it and have your belt work. And it gives you instructions on how to use it. So very simple. It also has lines on it so that you can cut your belt to whatever waist size you need it to be. So we're definitely gonna trim it down because this one's a little too big for me right now. So we're gonna cut it. I'm gonna show you how that works, and then we're gonna put it together, put it on, and show you how it fits. Alright guys, so it's very simple to cut with just scissors. If we look at the lines here, you could see the waist sizes. So 44, 42, 40, 38, 36. I'm gonna cut it at the 38 one for now. I might have to trim it a little bit more. But all you have to do is line it up with the scissors and just simply cut through it nice and simple, just like that, okay? And then to put on the belt buckle, you just open this flop right here, and then you just slide it on like that. And then you close the flap. Oops, you close the flap like so, and it locks into place. And you're ready to go. So we're gonna go ahead, undo this, and try it on. What I really like about this belt, guys, is that it actually has a track right here. So when you put it on, you don't have to put it through a hole with the little metal piece. You just put it in, and it slides right through and adjusts to your belt, to your waist size like that. And then you just put it on. It's a nice belt, looks very nice, like so. And then to take it out, you just flip the switch on the bottom all the way up, and it slides right out, and it makes it real easy to adjust and use your belt rather than dealing with the metal strap you have to do. So go ahead, check it out.